Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey, in this quick tutorial, we're gonna resolve how to fix most missing DLL files on your Windows operating system. In order to do that, we're gonna first open up a new web browser. Once your browser is open, we're gonna actually type into a Google search DirectX in user runtime web installer. We're gonna click enter. And I recommend you downloading it from Microsoft instead of any other company just to be safe that it's legit. So we're gonna go ahead and go into Microsoft to download DirectX. All right, so we're gonna download DirectX. If you look at the details here, you can see that it was published in 2021, so you can be sure that it will work on a Windows 10. Even if it said latest like 2013 or 11, it still would probably work given DirectX. And this system requires for this newer stuff, so you should be good most of the time. If it doesn't, just search for a different one with your older operating system if you're using XP. So we're going to click download. Make sure you select your language. It's going to download right here. All right, once the software is ready, you just click on it, and we're going to just go through the install process. Just read everything logically, accept. So I'm going to accept agreement, press next. Do I want to install a Bing bar? No. And then we're gonna just let it do its thing and install. All right, once it gets to loading, you're gonna press next, then next. We're gonna go ahead and let everything install. Just keep in mind DirectX is a component of Windows that allows software primarily and especially games to work directly with your video and audio hardware. So that's kind of like what we're doing. All right, once it's finished, you just click finish and go ahead and reset your computer and see if it helps with the issue you're having. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.